Our oil reproductions are entirely handmade, without use of artificial methods. The painter starts the oil painting with a sketch. He will use a pencil or charcoal to shape the subjects right onto the canvas, exactly as the original master. This initial stage is finished when the composition is stable and the forms are clear. Free and heavy brush strokes will be applied at this stage of painting, and some of the initial contours may be overpainted with oil. Also, some texture is applied where needed, and later these same areas will be reworked for more detail. The painter will move from one detail to another and gradually explore different parts of the oil painting. He may apply paint at some areas with free brush strokes and at the same time meticulously concentrate on other parts. The initial drawing and oil paint contours are mixed, and the painter will jump from one detail to another until a notion of the overall picture is formed. Some works of art could be painted more quickly, like Impressionist or modern art, but some are especially challenging, like this one by Renaissance master Leonardo da Vinci. Mona Lisa is full of tiny details, whether in the background or foreground, and all this is time-consuming. Bit by bit, the whole picture becomes clearer. Now transparent layers may be applied at some areas, and the colors deepen and get saturated. There are still parts of the painting where the white unpainted canvas may be seen, and these are used by the painter to rest his hand while working. The painter is working on the last areas of the painting, and in the meantime other parts are being reworked until maximum detail is extracted. At this stage, he may varnish certain parts of the painting so that dry overlapping paint layers show their true color. Small brushes and careful strokes are used at this stage of painting, and getting more and more detail is most important now. Hand-painted reproductions should not be made hastily. Even the smallest details need time in order to achieve the necessary precision and high quality. Once the work is finished and the paint is dry, it's time for the final varnishing. The canvas is flat while varnishing, and in a place where it can lie flat and undisturbed for a few hours. This final layer will make a transparent film which will preserve the painting's surface and will show the colors in their true brilliance. With more than 20 years of experience and thousands of satisfied customers, our oil reproductions are the best, always bearing the full spirit of the original.